Hello student, here we discuss about chemical bonding, polarity of bonds, most polar and dispolar bond in the given bonds. PF oxygen fluorine bond, bond between boron and fluorine, bond between silicon and nitrogen. Number of non-bonding electrons around sulfur in SO2 when it follows octet rule. I am VeenaDixit. If you like my video, please subscribe and share my videos. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Which bond is expected to be dispolar? Bond between oxygen and fluorine, phosphorus and fluorine, silicon and nitrogen, boron and fluorine. We know that oxygen is second electronegative element. First most electronegative element is fluorine. So the difference between these two will be least. So smaller will be the difference between the two atoms. The bond will be least polar in this case. Here, as the difference increases, polarity increases. So which will be most polar? BF will be most polar. I am giving a different type of questions and explaining that because question will remain the same type of in chemical bonding, only they will change the criteria. So way is different. So BF is the most polar bond. Why? Because the difference between boron and fluorine is much higher. Difference will be more. In this silicon and nitrogen, less difference. Here this is least difference between electronegativity of fluorine and oxygen. This is based on Pauling scale. Write on this. I don't think that you have to mug it up, but simply you should know how to write. Okay, so boron 1.5, fluorine 3.98. It is group 13 member. As we are going across the period, electronegativity increases. Okay, so in this way we have to learn this. So here this is least more polar and OF is least polar. Now draw the least structure for SO2 according to octet rule on all atoms, and then we will have to write down which is having this central atom is having how many lone pair of electrons. So one lone pair but two non-bonding electron. If they will ask total lone pair, so 6 around this oxygen, because sulfur is having 6 valence electron, and if it is following octet rule, at that moment this it will donate electron pair to this oxygen. So now octet of this oxygen is completed, octet of this is completed, octet of this is also completed. So octet rule is followed. So 3 LP here, total 1 2 3 3 LP, 3 LP here, 2 LP here and 1 LP.